Sometimes the deers are laying here, you know. There's also honey and beans. I have to go all the way back up because my car is parked over there, and that's good exercise. Get up the hill, into the hill, my correction. I see here just soil, is the earth, just the soil. Soil will be ready for corn. You see front the road, main road, and another road called in German Bundesstraße. It means the Republic Way. It could be better translated in English. Actually, Republic Day, because Bundes means the whole state, and this could be translated into English as Republic Day. Ways, you know. Because one is not the main road, you know. In Europe, especially in Germany and France, the ways have number. Like with you in the road 66, we have a lot of route 66 here. Route 370, route 500, and yeah, any number, you know. Just knows the police. It would be also difficult for them to know which road